We got this taken out in here where we needed it. We took out in here. So now our spring's going to catch okay. Now on the back, we're going to take the back off. And we're going to take some out in here and down through here so our string won't catch on this. So we're going to take some of all this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. You see, we're going to take this probably about down into here and then some off along in here. So thanks for watching.